My friend, before we begin, I want you to pause for just a moment and let your heart settle, because what I am about to share with you has the power to transform not only your legs, but your confidence, your balance, your independence, and the way you experience the precious years ahead of you. And I say this with love, with respect, and with deep belief in the strength that still lives inside you, no matter your age, no matter your challenges, no matter how long you've been struggling with stiff joints, weak legs, or the fear of losing mobility. What if I told you that in Japan, a country known for its extraordinary health, remarkable longevity, and the highest number of centenarians in the world, people in their 60s, 70s, 80s, and even 90s maintain leg strength that many younger adults in Western countries have already lost? What if I told you that while most people start losing 30% of their leg strength after 50, many Japanese seniors actually get stronger after 60 because they follow a simple, natural, time-tested method anybody can adopt? And what if I told you that the exercises you're about to learn require no equipment, no gym, no heavy lifting, and no painful strain, just your body, your breath, and your willingness to take back your strength? My friend, this message is not about exercise. It is about reclaiming the life you deserve. Strong legs are not only muscles, they are freedom, independence, balance, mobility, dignity, and the ability to rise from a chair without struggle, to climb stairs without fear, to walk with confidence, and to live each day with the certainty that your body still supports you. So let us begin with the first Japanese exercise, the resting squat. In Japan, this position is not a workout. It is a daily resting posture, practiced by young and old. While Western culture encourages sitting in soft chairs that weaken the hips, shorten the muscles, and stiffen the joints, Japanese culture embraces the deep squat as a natural resting place, a position humans used for thousands of years before chairs were invented. And the science behind it is powerful. A study from the University of Tokyo revealed that Japanese adults over 70 who regularly practiced resting squats had leg strength comparable to people in their 50s. Imagine that. 2 decades of strength preserved simply through a natural posture. To do it, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower your body until your hips come close to the ground. Keep your heels down, your back neutral, and your core gently engaged. If you are over 60 or new to squatting, hold on to a stable support and simply stay for 20 seconds. Increase over time to 2 or 3 minutes. The key is calm breathing and a steady posture. This position strengthens the thighs, glutes, hips, and core, improves digestion and circulation, keeps the spine mobile, and teaches your mind to stay calm during discomfort. Just remember, don't lift your heels, don't arch your back excessively, and don't force the position. Listen to your body, progress gently, and feel your legs growing steadier day by day. Now the second exercise, balancing on one leg. This tiny movement is one of the biggest secrets behind Japan's extremely low fall rate. A major study following Japanese seniors for 10 years found that practicing one-leg balance daily reduced hip fractures by 60% and falls by 40%. Why? Because balancing on one leg strengthens the stabilizing muscles deep inside the ankle, knee, hip, and core, muscles that weaken rapidly after 50 if not activated. These small muscles don't grow large, but they keep you steady, upright, and safe. Start by standing near a wall for support. Shift your weight onto one leg, lift the other foot an inch off the floor, and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Increase slowly until you can hold for 60 seconds. The shoulders relaxed, the gaze forward, and the core lightly engaged. Don't lift the leg too high, don't tense your upper body, and don't rush. Practicing this during everyday moments, while brushing your teeth, waiting for food to warm, or standing in the kitchen can completely transform your stability. The third Japanese exercise is the horse stance, known as kibadachi. This ancient martial arts posture builds strength without movement, using isometric tension, a safe, joint-friendly method ideal for seniors. To perform it, stand with your feet wide, about 1.5 times shoulder width. Turn the toes slightly outward, bend the knees as if sitting into an invisible chair, keep the spine straight, and hold. A study in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science showed that seniors who practiced this posture for just a few minutes a day improved leg strength by 24% in only 12 weeks. Begin with 10 to 15 seconds and gradually increase to 60 to 90 seconds. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes and keep the hips low enough to activate the thighs. Expect a gentle burn. That's your strength awakening. This exercise not only strengthens the lower body, but also trains your mind to stay steady under pressure, a skill essential for aging with dignity and peace. Now the fourth exercise, Sampa, the slow meditative Japanese walk. This practice is deeply rooted in Zen philosophy and is one of the lesser-known Japanese secrets to mobility. Instead of rushing through life, Sampa teaches you to walk slowly, 4 to 5 times slower than your normal pace, feeling each part of the foot connect with the ground, the heel, then the midfoot, then the toes. A study on Japanese adults over 65 showed that practicing Sampa increased lower limb blood circulation by 50%, reduced falls by 40%, and improved dynamic balance by 50% in just 3 months. Begin in a hallway or quiet room, walk extremely slowly, breathe deeply, and focus completely on each step. This practice strengthens the feet, stabilizes the ankles, improves posture, enhances coordination, and reconnects your mind with your body. Daily slow walking, even for 3 minutes, can create extraordinary changes in your balance and mobility. Next is exercise number 5, heel raises. The calves are called the second heart. Every time they contract, they pump blood upward against gravity, supporting circulation, balance, and walking power. Weak calves lead to swelling, heaviness, slow walking, and increased fall risk. Strong calves create light steps, better endurance, and stronger balance. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, rise onto the toes slowly, hold for 1 or 2 seconds, and lower with control. Start with 2 sets of 15 repetitions and increase to 3 sets of 20. You can add progressions such as doing them on a step or lifting one leg. Heel raises improve circulation, reduce ankle swelling, strengthen the Achilles tendon, and make walking far more effortless. Finally, exercise number 6, the wall squat. Simple, safe, powerful, and extraordinarily effective for seniors. Used in both Japanese traditional medicine and modern physical therapy, the wall squat strengthens the quadriceps, glutes, and core without movement, making it perfect for aging joints. Stand with your back against a wall, feet about 12 inches forward, slide down into a seated position with knees at 90 degrees, and hold. Start with 15 to 20 seconds and gradually build to 60 seconds. Breathe steadily, keep the core lightly engaged, and don't let the knees collapse inward. Studies in Japan showed that seniors improved leg strength by 14% and stair climbing ability by 27% in just 8 weeks with this exercise. And now we reach the bonus movement, the dead hang. Though not for the legs, it is one of Japan's favorite full-body longevity practices. Hanging from a bar allows gravity to decompress the spine, relieve stiffness, improve posture, and increase shoulder mobility, areas that weaken dramatically after 60. It also strengthens grip, a major indicator of longevity. Begin with 5-10 seconds, relax the shoulders, breathe deeply, and increase slowly. Practice daily, the dead hang becomes a powerful reset for the entire upper body. My friend, these exercises are not about looking young. They are about living strong. They are about walking without fear, bending without pain, standing without struggle, and enjoying the rest of your life with the mobility you deserve. Strength after 60 is not luck. It is choice. It is action. It is love for your future self. The Japanese have shown the world that aging does not mean decline. It means opportunity, wisdom, and renewal. You can begin today. You can rebuild your legs. You can restore your balance. You can reclaim your independence. And as always, may God bless you with strength, healing, and a long life filled with power and purpose, my friend. My friend, if this message touched your heart and gave you even a spark of hope, don't let it fade. Click subscribe now and join the Seniors Hub family, where every day we help you grow stronger, healthier, and more confident in the beautiful years ahead. You deserve a life of independence and joy. Let us walk this journey with you.